Dr. Patricia Bath, November 4th, 1942 to May 30th, 2019. Dr. Patricia Bath was a pioneering ophthalmologist and inventor, becoming the first African-American woman to receive a medical patent. Her invention of the laser phaco probe revolutionized cataract surgery, making her a groundbreaking figure in medicine and technology. Who turned the tide in science and technology, the unsung heroines of progress? 32. Annie Easley, April 23, 1933 to June 25, 2011. Annie Easley was a trailblazer at NASA, where her work as a computer scientist and mathematician helped lay the groundwork for future space missions. Her contributions to the development of center rocket technology have been pivotal. Despite facing racial and gender discrimination, Easley's resilience and dedication to her work broke barriers and paved the way for future generations of women in STEM. 33. Katherine Johnson, August 26, 1918 to February 24, 2020. Katherine Johnson, whose life and career were highlighted in the movie Hidden Figures, was a mathematician whose calculations of orbital mechanics were critical to the success of the first and subsequent U.S. manned spaceflights. Johnson's work at NASA spanned 35 years, and her calculations helped ensure that the Apollo missions and the Space Shuttle program was successful. Her dedication and precision in a field dominated by men have made her an enduring symbol of excellence and perseverance in STEM. 34. Gladys West. Gladys West is a mathematician whose groundbreaking work in geodesy led to the development of the Global Positioning System, GPS. Her contributions were crucial in creating the mathematical modeling of the Earth's shape, essential for the accuracy of GPS technology. Despite the pivotal nature of her work, West's role remained largely unrecognized for decades. Her dedication and precision have played a significant role in shaping the technology that underpins modern navigation, communications, and various other applications of GPS, making her a true pioneer in her field. 35. Dorothy Vaughan, September 20, 1910 to November 10, 2008. Dorothy Vaughan was a mathematician and human computer at NASA, known for her expertise in Fortran, a computer programming language that was critical to the success of the U.S. space program. As the first African-American manager at NASA, Vaughan broke racial and gender barriers, mentoring many of the next generation of scientists and engineers, including many women of color. Her legacy is celebrated for transforming the possibilities for African American women in engineering and technology.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.